Hi, I'm really excited because today I want to share with you how you can make passive income online, how you can build a business that brings in passive income for you. And in my opinion, passive income is the only way to build true wealth. Now let's talk about this because there's some common misconceptions about passive income, and I really think that I can help clear some things up for you. Hi, it's Daniel P. Robertson here with danielprobertson.com, and on this channel we talk about how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. If that sounds like something you'd like to learn, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified of the content that I release. Okay, so passive income. Passive income, it's a subject that a lot of people, get confused on, and a lot of people don't really understand. And I want to clear this up here before we really dive into how to actually do this. People think that passive income is, getting money in exchange for doing nothing. Like it's just free money that you don't earn, right? That's what people think about passive income. But that's really not the case. Passive income is not earning something for nothing. There's no such thing as free money in this world, right? Money it's a form of value. So anytime money changes hands, it's because there's been some kind of value that's been exchanged. So for example, you go to work at your 9 to 5 or whatever your job is, and you provide, some kind of service for the company that you work for. You go, you do whatever it is you do. You're selling stuff, you're helping customers, you're keeping up with the books or the records or managing the computers or whatever it is you do for your job. There's some value in what you do to your company, and so they pay you for that value. You go, you work 8 hours, you get paid for 8 hours. All right, pretty simple, right? And this is not passive income, of course. It's a type of active income where you're exchanging time for money. That's really the definition of active income, is you're exchanging time for money. So you work 8 hours, you get paid for 8 hours. The other type of active income that's not passive is something like a sales job. You can earn a commission, right, for doing sales, but in order to get sales, you got to be out there. Like say, for example, let's take a car salesman. So for a car salesman to make money, he's got to be doing several things. He's got to be greeting people on the lot. He or she, they have to be greeting people on the lot. They have to be working with their network and getting referrals to get more leads. They have to be following up with leads that they have already. And they have to be making, ultimately, a car salesperson will have to make lots of offers. If they're not making offers to interested prospects who can pass financing if they need financing or pay for the car outright, if they can't do that, if they can't make enough offers and get enough sales, the car salesperson will not make any money, or at least not enough money to meet their goals or their obligations, right? So that's another type of active income. You have to actually be out there making offers to make money. Now, here's a type of passive income that a lot of people don't think about. It's the person who owns the car sales lot. They're not the one who's actually out there making sales and, working with customers. They run the business, they oversee the business. So in a sense, that is active because they are overseeing the business. But they also have agents out there that are doing the sales for them, and administrative people who are doing the administrative side of stuff, and the mechanics who are doing, fixing the cars and things like that. So in a sense, that's a little bit more passive because they're not the ones who are actually doing all the work. They're just managing and overseeing the work, and then they get paid. So is this making sense so far? Leave a comment below, say yes if this is making sense to you, or if you have questions, feel free to let me know also. So now we've covered a little bit of some active types of income. Let's really talk about passive income. Passive income, again, it's not getting paid for nothing because, again, like I mentioned, in money, anytime there's an exchange of money, there's an exchange of value that's going on. And so to make money, you've got to provide value to someone somewhere so that they can pay you, right? That's the way you get paid, is by providing value. So now let's talk about how to turn this into passive income. How you make passive income is you have systems and assets in place that allow you to make money over and over again from the same work that you already did. So it's not that you're not doing any work, you're not providing any value, you're not earning the money. It's that you figured out how to systematize it to where you can make money over and over again for the same activity, so that now you're not trading dollars for hours, you're not trading time for money, but really you're setting things up ahead of time so that you continue to make money later. Let me give you an example of this. I talk about affiliate marketing here on this channel. So for affiliate marketing, let's say, basically affiliate marketing, if you don't know what it is, it's all about you promote a product that already exists and you earn a commission from promoting that product. Simple, right? Okay, so affiliate marketing, let's say you promote a product that has a monthly reoccurring commission. Let's say the commission is $30 per month. You make one sale, you make $30, but then you also make 30 sales the next month and the next month and the next month after that. So it's reoccurring commission that you earn from one sale. That's a type of passive income. Say, for example, you enroll 10 people into this program that you're promoting, right? You make 10 sales. So now you have reoccurring commission of $300 every single month from those 10 people who bought. You just make 10 sales and you get $300 each month. Okay, so that's a pretty simple concept. Let's say you make 100 sales. Now you're getting $3,000 every month in commissions from those 100 people that bought. And this is the real power of affiliate marketing, because it allows you to earn commissions passively. That's one type of passive income. Now, another type of passive income is, instead of promoting something that has recurring commissions, you might promote something that has a one-time commission, but then again, you have systems in place that allow you to make sales over and over again. For example, this YouTube channel, I'm building out this YouTube channel. As I continue to publish content on this channel, it's going to grow bigger and bigger and bigger. And the more views I get on this channel, I'm going to send people over to my sales funnel. My sales funnel is going to generate leads for me, and it's also going to follow up with those leads for me on autopilot. So as you can see, as this channel gets bigger, and the more people I get watching my videos, and the more people go over to my sales funnel and sign up for my offer that I'm offering and become leads, and then follow up with those leads, over time, it's going to build more and more passive income, because it's an automated system that automatically, I'm getting traffic from YouTube. And the more videos I create, the more views I'll get. I can create a video a day. Let's say I do it for a year. I create a video a day for a year. Let's say that's all I do really for a year. There's nothing else besides just create a video a day with a link over to my sales funnel. Now, as you can imagine, the more videos I have on the channel, the more views I'm going to get. Like, each video is going to help my channel grow. The more my channel grows, the more views I'll get on my videos. The more views I get on my videos, the more leads and sales I'll be getting passively from the system that I've set up to automatically follow up with my leads. I don't have to do anything else other than just continue to create a video every single day, and my business will grow. Even if I do nothing else, that's it. Like, just one video a day, and I keep the same level of work, right? I keep doing the same amount of work every day. Every day I create one video. But every day, my channel gets bigger and bigger and bigger. So over time, it's going up. I'm not increasing the amount of work I'm doing, but I'm increasing the amount of content I have on my channel by one video every day. So that's an asset. That's an asset where each video is basically like a clone of myself, going out and recommending my products and services to people. It's recommending my affiliate offers to people. Each video is a chance to get in front of more people who don't know me yet, and to get them onto my sales funnel. And so I mentioned earlier systems and assets. So the asset would be the YouTube channel that keeps growing and growing and growing. The system would be the sales funnel and the email marketing automation that's set up to follow up with those leads, with those people, to get more sales. Plus, what I'm promoting, it is a recurring commission. So, it's $38.80 per sale that I can earn from the product that I'm promoting. So imagine this. Imagine at the end of the year, I have 365 new videos out. That's growing my channel. I'm getting leads from those videos, and those leads are signing up to my sales funnel where I can follow up with them through email marketing, and they're purchasing the product I'm promoting and earning me a recurring commission every single month, that's where real passive income comes in, because now I have a free traffic source that's going to grow. As long as I continue to produce one video a day, it's going to continue to grow. I also have a system that's going to follow up with my prospects, my leads automatically. And I have a product that's going to earn me passive income in the form of recurring commissions. Now, if you want to learn how to do this, if you want to learn how to set it up, in fact, I give you the exact same sales funnel that I'm using. If you want the same sales funnel, it includes the lead pages, the lead capture pages, the sales pages. It includes the emails to send to your email list. It includes the product to promote, right? You don't have to do anything other than just send traffic over to it. If you want to learn how to do this, check out the link down below this video. And if you like this kind of content, if you found value in it, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and we'll see you in the next video.